What's up, guys? Welcome back to episode 5 of the VB giveaway. So I was hoping you guys pick V2 because we have it in stock, but you know what? Y'all wanted the GTS. So, we made some calls and it's here. It arrived in like literally 2 days, airship. I think shipping was like $1,000. That's more than my paycheck. So we have also the grill, which is the one in stock, which is the new V4 grill. In this video today, we're gonna be installing these two, but before I realize, I'm gonna put a brace bar behind it. I'm gonna put the white brace bar behind it. You gonna look good? White? I don't think we need. Are we going with white, guys? So I have fluorescent. We have the fluorescent one. We have a blue one, which we're not gonna put on. And then we have a red. I think red will look really tacky. So black, you can't even see it. Oh, yellow brace bar? What we can do is wrap. Here, I'll show you guys. I think this might be a really good idea. I didn't even think about that. So imagine this is the brace bar. This is a blue one, by the way. We never released it. So imagine we're gonna wrap around it. So all this, you can't even see the seams in the back. So actually, should we just do that?
We have no material though.
I mean, we have some material right there. That's definitely not enough. So let's just do this then. I think it'll look a little bit better in my opinion. In this video, I'll add a brace bar yellow and then we'll black this out. Yeah, let's just black this out because it looks cleaner. Cause I think I like the all black look. Definitely not blue or yellow, up to you guys, I don't know. We can always change this. So comment below if we should leave this grill part yellow or black, but I'm gonna leave it black, I think. And we'll do this yellow. And then we'll put the GTS lip on. Before we continue, I put this on. I'm gonna cut this video because I'm gonna come back tomorrow because it is 900 degrees. I go to AFD, we have to move some stuff around. I guess this is gonna be for episode 6, right? All right, guys, comment below which headlights you guys want. So JD Muscle sent us their headlight already. These are plug and play. You get the whole C light, switchbacks, dual projectors, or you can get option to get our friends Troluxes as well. They both are friends, they're both Asian, so it doesn't matter which one we go with. So let me just show you guys. I will go with JD Muscle because we have it on our VB, but if you guys want this, we can too. This just has the multi option, color RGB, so this is a little bit different. Ultimately, you get the amber on the side. You have to by regulations, but us, we delete it anyways because I think it looks more aggressive. So yeah, guys, comment below which headlight you guys want to do. Yeah, guys, for episode 6, you guys let me know. You guys want the Retrolux or the JD Muscle headlights? And then I'm gonna put the grill on. We'll do everything right now. Oh man, it's gonna look pretty good. So the front end will pretty much be like 90% done. So let's just stop here for today. We'll link back tomorrow and then we're gonna put everything on together. Also, we have a new product that's coming out. This will probably be in another video you guys will see. This is the brace bar LED kit. So pretty much, you have the brace bar, you can put this LED strip behind it so it'll light up. We'll do that in another video. So I don't know if you guys want that, but maybe just comment below if you guys want this too. I can knock it out at the same time. Yellow and nighttime have RGB in the back. Let me know, guys. So that's another project. We're coming soon. And then we also have a GR Corolla lip for just test fitting and doing all that good stuff. Oh, by the way, guys, the GTS lip, we're making a splitter for it too. We're also we have another one for RVB. But damn, it's not carbon though. It still look good though, huh? I don't know, Jersey can't see it, but I don't know, I can see it. On the last video, they're making fun of this. Yeah, guys, I forgot to screw this down, okay? So for those, I was swapping the grills to test fit, and I forgot to put this on. So I'm gonna screw this back on. But yeah, we might do a GTS lip on this. If not, we'll definitely put a splitter on this. So we can probably do a splitter on this another video. Yeah, so we'll do plastic arrow and then we'll do all that stuff with extension. Yeah.
Or V1 size?
Yeah, but we won't show you guys what we're gonna do yet. So that'll be later. I guess for the future, yeah, we'll do a splitter to this too, and we'll put the rods. That'll look hella aggressive. All right, guys, we're back. So we have a customer just pulled up. Oh, by the way, I didn't even pick the shift knob. So a lot of guys want titanium shift knob, which is the worst choice in this heat right now because it's gonna burn our hand. Oh. But I can go pick up the shift knob. Look, he has the exact same. So customers here, Jerry installed the steering wheel in Alcantara. Oh, it's so nice. We actually have a few in stock. Should we just do the steering wheel too? I don't know, guys. We'll see. Also, Jerry's here to do the wing. He already punched the hole already. So he's getting the V3.5. And by the way, we have a new wing that's coming out, the RS wing. I'm gonna drop the photo right here. It's gonna be compatible with the V3.5 wing. So if you have this wing right now, or all the wings after July of last year, you guys can swap out the wing and put the RS style wings. It's gonna look crazy. And that, guys, enjoy the B-rolls.
The next day.
All right, guys, it is day 4. Next week, Monday. We have containers just arrived, and then we just unloaded 600 axle backs, and I want to show you guys the new axle back that arrived. So a lot of people have been waiting since April for the pre-orders. Team overseas been making a whole new setup. Easier to install. I mean, still the same thing, not much different, but we have new carbon fiber tips now. So before, you get the carbon, wet carbon with the blue insert, but now it's a full dry carbon. This actually costs 30% more to make, but we're keeping the same price, but this is pretty sick. So this is something that I will put on our VB, on the yellow one, but I don't know, guys, but I just want to showcase this. And then we're cleaning up the warehouse right now. We have a lot of new inventory, like a lot, restocking, because everything is always out of stock. But we have some in stock. So if you're interested in the axle backs, check the link below. I think pretty much all sold out already, maybe minus a couple, but another batch coming in. So we do finally stocking some lips. So if you need some lips, guys, check the link below before we install ours. So there's so many lips right now. Not much, but it should clear out within a couple weeks. But yeah, guys, this is a new carbon tips with a white logo. Pretty sick. I think it looks good. And then we also have, I think, a couple sets of a brand new race catback valve. So, you know, we saw the valve system with the up pipe. Now it comes the whole set. So it's stainless steel. I'm sorry, I'm gassed up right now because I just moved 100 axle backs for you guys. My back hurts. Probably massage. And that's Wooly right there. We have some new help today, so a lot of guys helping out with their container days. So we're gonna head back to AFD right now. I mean, to Elite. Hopefully, man, I wish the car was here. Look how nice the lighting is. But we're gonna move back soon, guys. So let's go ahead. I'm gonna put this away. So I think someone's gonna come pick this up. And then we're gonna finish up with the installation and we're gonna move into part 5. All right, guys, we are back at Elite Wraps. Man, this car is looking really bright. You know what's funny? Open the door. I don't know who's watching. Is it George Ray? Oh man, I wonder if it, dude, what are the chances? I thought it was kind of funny. So today we're gonna be finally putting on the front grille, which is the V4. I think I talked about 2 days ago, 3 days ago. So we'll slap everything on, and then we're gonna reverse on the alignment rack, so it'll be easier, so I can get you guys some better footages. But yeah, man, this wheel gap, I keep staring at it, it gets uglier and uglier by the day. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna pull it up right now, and then I'm excited to see what it looks like. Damn, guys, the yellow, you know, I've been posting more like on IG and whatnot, and a lot of people love the yellow. And then I have like one guy really hates the yellow. He comments on every one of our posts. I hate, when he asked for the yellow. So I guess more chance now since this guy don't want it. So I'm gonna go ahead, get some gloves. Oh, by the way, free brake lights, guys. If you're watching this video, I'm giving away free brake lights to anyone that comes and gives me a 6-pack of Arizona Diet. Jerry, what do you want? Sugar. Jerry likes Coke Zero. No, what do you like? Root beer. Jerry loves sugar, root beer, extra sugar. So if you bring some root beer or Arizona, you can give it to Tony, or if we're here, and we'll trade you a brake light. This is Gen 1 brake lights, okay? So not the plug and play, but they still work nice. We have like, I don't know, I gave away like 30 of these already. Our fridge is so full, we're probably gonna buy another fridge to get the drinks. We have another V5 lip here. This is actually going on our VB, and before we do that, we're gonna take it to AFD, and they're gonna scan it to make a splitter, because I believe the V3, V4, V5 lists don't have a compatible splitter yet, so this is gonna be crazy. Damn, Jerry cleaned up everything. Wow, where's the guns at?
Right there?
Wow. I did a 360 right there. Everything's here? Hey, Tony always takes our flatheads. I don't know why. He always gets mad at me for taking his stuff, but all my flatheads over there. You know, since I'm doing this bumper is gonna probably come off again, you know, because we're also doing a couple other mods. Oh, the fact that these are like not even the same is super annoying, so I can't wait to get these swapped out. Like this clip, Jerry, dude, this is not even the same clip, bro. What? All right, guys, to do the grill, I'm sure you guys seen this video a bajillion times, or who is messaging me? Because the bumper is not secured on the bottom, it's gonna be easy access for us taking everything off. Oh. There we go. So guys, one last take on the stock grill, and then we're gonna pop in. Yeah. Here it is, guys. One last take. Wait, Jerry, if I make this into the trash can? Yeah, I've been playing the Sunday basketball leagues right here. Watch, $10. $5. All right, Boba, if I miss. Oh wait, I actually need this. I'm just kidding, I have extra emblems on the side, but yeah, we'll take it anyways. All right guys, you guys wanted the V4 grill? I'm gonna take off the stock emblem. As far as the blue, we're gonna leave it blue for now. and then we're gonna have you guys, we're gonna wrap it afterwards. So to swap over is literally take off the 3 screws in the back. It's pretty easy to do. Just like that, and then you just, it's up to you. You can take this whole mesh grill off, put the screws in, but you don't need to. Once it clips in, like, it's not going anywhere. So I'm not gonna do that because we don't need to. Before I pop it on, I wanna take this like overlay off. And by the way, the overlay team is right there, so maybe they can give us like a yellow one or something. If you don't know, the overlay is a 2-step process. It's like one overlay and then you have the stars over it. So I just hope it doesn't look too bad under here. But I have carbon emblem. I might just go carbon over there. I don't know, guys, should we go carbon overlay? Yeah, we should. I have some blue, white, and red carbon overlays, but let's see. But here it looks. So if you have a World Valley blue, this will look pretty clean, right? It's been a while since we saw a mesh type, so I'm gonna go ahead, show you guys right here. This is the first time I actually slapping this on. Not really the first time, but damn. I think the blue throws it off right now. What do you think? So we're probably gonna wrap that yellow or black. You guys let me know in the comments, okay? So let's go ahead and screw this back on. All right, guys, with the grill, you literally just line up the holes, as you can see right here. Just drill it in. Dude, guys, the front, look, the mesh matches, which is super cool because you guys really did a good choice picking this, because I honestly would have picked the V2, but this actually looks really good. The grill is on, it looks fabulous. The blue, like I said, is really throwing it off. We'll take care of that later. But in the meantime, you guys put a V2 grill on, just like you guys know, because the mesh is retracted in, so it's gonna be touching this guard. So we get a lot of questions and emails. Actually got a lot of people DM me too about this. This actually does literally nothing. You don't have to worry about your car not having this. I just take it off anyways and toss it. So I don't need this anyways. And now we can put a brace bar, but we don't have a brace bar ready. So in another video, we will do the brace bar. We'll come back to it. Let's go ahead, put the bumper back on. Damn. When you guys do this, guys, make sure the bottom bumper tabs are above so it doesn't hit. This is the critical point of the bumper, or else once it hits, it is GG. So make sure everything's pulled in like I have so. Right in. Look at that. Usually this will take someone 30 minutes because we've done this a million times. Super easy. Okay. Damn, guys, the grill looks phenomenal. Like I said, the mesh, the low grill, 10 out of 10. I'm just excited to see the lip on, so let's go ahead and get the car up, and then we'll finish it with the lip. This is one of the final pieces of the front end. Look, just look at it right now, you can see how much difference it's gonna be. So the GTS is a new material, by the way. This is unbreakable. If you don't know, here, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. It is a 3-piece construction. You have another bolt here to hold on both sides. And then you can use bolts or self-tappers to you, but we're gonna use self-tappers because I know this is coming off again when we do another part on it. But let's do a quick mock-up. Yo, how does it look? It looks so good. Imagine being lowered. All right, guys, we are now prepping. I already cleaned the bottom of the car using the alcohol wipe, and now me and Jerry's gonna mock it up with the double-sided tape. All right, guys, we got mocked on already. This part goes over a little bit because our fog light deletes is more aggressive. So actually, you can't tell unless you put a lip on, but it just sits out a little bit more. Now, Chris, the under scoop, man, it looks super aggressive. We'll go ahead and get the south tappers, put it on. Another thing, when you self-tap, guys, don't go all the way through. All right, once it grabs, you're good. If you over-thread it, it's gonna rip everything off, and then you end up using bolts. Damn, guys, there it is. Okay, don't mind the side view because the fitment, oh, disgusting. But here's a good comparison. You can see ours, VB, our V2 lit with the V2 grill compared to the V4 grill and then the V5 GTS lit. It looks really good, very aggressive. I think what we're throwing off is to me, the front gap. So we're seeing you get rid of that gap ASAP. But before we do that, guys, we're gonna take this car to get some B-rolls for you guys. I was saying earlier, so this part of the lower bezel is more aggressive. If you look at here, compared to our other lip, this actually sticks out a bit more. You can't tell until you have the bezels, guys. Again, the bezel is very different than the stock OEM bezels. So Elite is gonna make some sticker for me. I don't know what they're gonna put here, maybe double X something, I don't know. So we'll work on that later, but this blue right here, not it. I don't like it. So we're gonna go ahead and get that swapped out another time when we do the front end. We're gonna come back to the front end because I remember telling you guys that we're gonna redo the whole front end first, but we're gonna pause right here. We're gonna move on to something more important. We're gonna move right to the back, which is the exhaust system. Obviously, you guys know what the car sounds like, super quiet, super stock. So we have a couple of options for the exhaust. We have the axle back, So I'm gonna give you guys 3 options. We have the axle back. So we're gonna do the race catback touring system, the race system, which includes the intermediate pipe, our 3-inch resonated mid pipe, and then the axle back, which will delete the drone. That's one option. Jerry will put the picture here. We have option 2, which is a single exit setup, titanium or stainless, up to you guys. And then we have that paired up with the intermediate pipe as well, give the full maximum sound. Or the last option, which is a new setup we have, is the full valve turbo back system, intermediate pipe all the way back with the valve. So I'm pretty sure you guys will pick the 3rd option because it is not only the most expensive setup, but it is also the most convenient. You can open and close the valve. Up to you guys, so I'll leave that option to you 3. If you don't know, if you're watching this and you're new to this episode, we're at Elite Wrap. So Tony is, he's the head poncho here. Is the right word, poncho? No, they know your name already. I exposed you like 3 seasons ago.
That's what I thought too. I thought
No, 4 seasons ago, 4 episodes ago. Yeah, we're either deciding yellow or black. That's definitely not enough to cover it.
Yeah, there's only scraps left.
Yeah. Anyways, so let us know what color we're gonna do, because he's gonna wrap it either blue, white. What the f am I saying? Either yellow or black. But it looks pretty good, right? But look, it looks much better, right? The front end. So comment below, let me know which exhaust system you guys wanna run. I'm not even gonna show you guys the stock. It's so ugly. It's so quiet. But before I do, I know a lot of you guys want me to like lower the car first, but we're gonna wait on that. I think that's gonna be the biggest change. I mean, it's already the biggest change, obviously, in the color match. But yeah, guys, let's go ahead to our spot, get some videos for you guys. Make sure to comment below, okay, which system to go with. So the next video is gonna be all exhaust, so it's gonna be fun, very, very fun. I think we'll go with the valve. I like the single exit too, but the race system is also actually just as loud. So I don't know, guys. You let me know in the comments below, okay? And then we'll catch you guys in episode. What is this? Episode 4 already? No, it's episode 5. Yeah. This is episode 5, guys. Oh, man, I'm gonna get lost. So in episode 6, okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the exhaust on. So we'll catch you guys next time. Make sure to like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. And then we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.